Hello, English learners. Can you shop for groceries in English? Let's learn a real conversation between a brother and a sister. Ali, we need a few things from the grocery store. Sarah, what's on the shopping list? Ali, we need milk, bread,
Eggs.
and some fruits. Sarah, do we have enough rice at home? Ali, no, we are almost out of it. Sarah, should I get a small pack or a large one? Ali, get the large one. It's more economical. Sarah, these apples look fresh. Should I buy them? Ali, yes, and don't forget to check the price, dear. Sarah, alright, brother. I think we have got everything we need. Let's go back to home.